Hey Internet, Mike Hickman from Interi Systems here. Wanted to give you really the first view of RC Animator. This is an Arduino-compatible microcontroller based on the Arduino Mega 2560, built specifically for RC vehicles. You might notice that we've got 3-pin servo headers on the left and the right. We've got 8 channels for receiver inputs and 8 channels for servo outputs. We've got our SPI header, I2C header, the 3 serial ports available on the Mega 2560. In addition, we have a MPU 9150 Invensys IMU. So this is a 3-axis accelerometer, 3-axis gyro, and 3-axis magnetometer. And we have some connectors here for a daughter card that we're going to be coming out with that will snap onto here and provide a full shield compatible breakout, as well as all the additional Arduino Mega pins that are available on the standard Arduino Mega. On the back of the board, we have a TI CC3000 Wi-Fi chip with a chip antenna and a U.fl connector for an external Wi-Fi antenna. We have a power switch, reset switch, both mounted here on the edge of the board, micro USB connector, and we have space for 2 terminal blocks. So this terminal block is for the board power. The idea is that you would take and use a splitter, battery splitter for your RC vehicle, cut the connector off one end and put it into the terminal block, plug your battery in your car into the other 2 connectors, and you power both the car and Animator from the car battery. The other terminal block that goes right here is connected to the power pins on the receiver and the servos pins, so that you can provide separate power to those if you so wish. Finally, there's a multi-frequency RF transmitter chip here that operates below 1 gigahertz. So a lot of cheaper RC vehicles that people like to use for their Arduino projects operate at 27 megahertz, 49 megahertz, 75 megahertz. And this chip can actually transmit in those frequencies and the other frequencies all the way up over 900 megahertz. So we're going to be providing software. You can take the transmitter for one of those vehicles, run through a learning sequence. Animator will learn the transmitter codes that are used for that vehicle, store them on EEPROM or in a header file that you can include in with your own code, and then you'll be able to actually control the vehicle simply by putting Animator onto the vehicle. You won't need to plug in any wires other than power, and your code or the sketches that we provide will be able to drive the car directly. So that's a quick peek into RC Animator. We're going to be providing more information here over the coming weeks leading up to our Kickstarter launch. If you're interested in finding out more and follow along leading up to our Kickstarter, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter at Interi Systems, or go to our website and you can register there to receive updates via email. Thanks, and we hope that you'll support RC Animator when it launches.